Welcome to LCD TV. This stands for Linda's Cats Dogs Travel Vlogs. In this video, I would like to take you on a visit to the mill in the town of Gammel Rye near Skanderborg, central Jutland in Denmark. We thought the visit to this mill was definitely worth it. The view from above over the nature reserve is also very beautiful. If you are interested in a bit of technology in addition to the craftsmanship of this mill, it is definitely worth taking a look to this video or visit it yourself. This is a Dutch gallery mill, also called a hat mill. The mill was built in 1872, initially as a grain mill. In connection with this, a sawmill and a cattle feed company were later exported. In 1984, these activities were stopped, and in 1989 Gammel Rye was founded with the aim of preserving the mill for posterity, and in 1990 this building was converted into a museum. Today, the mill and sawmill can still be seen with their original interior and technical equipment. Both the mill and sawmill are therefore major attractions in the permanent museum exhibition in the Old Rye Mill Museum and also during events such as the Danish Mill Day and the Living Museum. In the museum, you can also see a number of other exhibitions, including those about the glassworks in the 16th century in Glarbo and the production of clocks that once brought prosperity to Gammel Rye. The museum also shows a large collection of Himmelbjerg souvenirs and also tells the history of the airport and refugee camp Zeltenlangsel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Perhaps you would like to subscribe for free by hitting the subscribe button down below. If you activate the bell below, you will be automatically kept informed when new content has arrived. Your comments you can leave below this video. Thanks for watching. I will put a link here above and also in the description box below to the other videos from our Denmark journey and also to our city trips, so you can find them more easily. Hope to see you next time somewhere on my channel again. Greetings from Linda and Lars and our doggies, Kaylee, Ruby and Yilsi.